Jessica going. Ride the airplane. Atcha. Just going to cut his hair and with Papa. Ayan. So let's see kung kung magugupitan si Jess, guys. Kasi ang hinahanap niyang gupitan is yung may airplane daw. Yung sasakay siya sa airplane habang ginugupitan daw siya. Yun kasi yung last niyang experience, guys, na pagpapagupit sa Pilipinas. So, yun ang ano, kada sabihin namin na let's cut your hair, ang sagot niya, ride airplane. Barbershop like that here. For kids only. They're exclusively for kids only. Nothing? So, wala kasing ganito dito, guys. Hindi ko alam sa mga small na mall dito kung meron na may mga pagupitan talaga ng pangbata siya talaga. Pero dun sa pupuntahan namin, guys, sa Lovely Saloon, may ano naman siya doon, kids corner. Kaya lang nga, upuan lang din yun eh. Hindi siya yung ano, pang ano talaga na gusto ni Jazz. So, no crying, anak, okay? When it's your turn, then just sit, relax, then hug ya.
Why do I play?
Ha? Okay, let's see if there's an airplane there. But if there's no airplane, then it's okay. Ha? It's okay if the airplane, okay? Just behave. You will see Papa. Papa will cut his hair also so that Papa will be Poggy like Jazz. Who is Poggy? Jazz or Papa? Ay, Jazz and Papa. Okay, both. Say both, Mama. Both. So, ayan yung ating ano, guys. Oh. Way to the barber saloon. Ay, what's that? Lovely Saloon pala yun. So, ayun ni Mr. sa mumurahin na saloon, guys. Gusto niya doon sa mamahalin. Kasi diba sa mumurahin nasa 150. So how much gulo in ordinary barbershop? How much the pay? It's like 100?
150, 200 like that.
It depends in service, na. If just cut, then just 100.
Hi baby. No, actually kids are more expensive nowadays.
So in Lovely Saloon, it's 500, guys. In Lovely Saloon.
And how much there?
Also, those expensive salon is same price like that also.
500 in pesos.
Kaya wala, we're not near yet. Then you will drama na already. It's so pogi though. Even you're not cutting your hair, no? Just still pogi, guys. Kasi kaya lang it's summer, so he have to cut his hair, no? Dapat pala pinakalbo ko na lang siya noon. Pero yung cut na kasi last time, guys, high cut siya. High cut, diba? Yung dito lang sa side ang ano, medyo semi-kalbo. So, let's see kung magugupitan siya ng ganun dito. Sana maging behave si Jazz. What is your name?
Neville Ray.
Neville Ray. What is your mama name?
Christy.
How about Papa name?
Gigi.
Dado name?
Ashwani.
Ano? Daddy name?
Bandana.
Your baya name?
Gatibaya.
Gatibaya. How about Fufu?
Amit.
Amit. How about Buwa?
Dibua.
Dibua. How about Nanay?
Nanay Chuli.
Acha. How about baby Pretty?
Baby brother.
Baby brother also Jared. Baby girl is Pretty.
Jaja.
Baby Jared is Jaja. How about Kuya?
Kuya Angel.
And more. What's your Kuya more? More Kuya.
Train, look! A train!
Acha! Nakita nga yung daanan ng train. Choo-choo! Sabi nga. Choo-choo! Train ay! Train ay! Kulit ni Jazz.
Can I see train?
You can see the train because it's not there.
Can I see the train?
It's so mainit, guys. So kailangan talagang magupitan si Jazz kasi pawisin si Jazz
You should see show that how like, but even in Philippines people have to protect themselves from sunlight, like they're taking umbrella,
umbrella ha. So dito guys, hindi ganun kauso ang payong. Halos wala kang makitang gumagamit ng payong kahit gaano kainit yan, kahit umabot ng 50 degree or 52. What is the maximum degree here, Gulu, in summer?
cut your hair.
51. There is like 51 maximum ever gone.
51, mga ganyan. Ganyan lang sila guys, nakatalukbong.
But ordinarily it's like 50, 49 there is.
Pero yung ganong temperature guys, sobrang init. Hindi mo may kukumpara yung weather dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit sabihin mong umabot ng 50 degrees sa Pilipinas, ibang-iba yung ng init dito guys. Yung parang masusunog ka talaga.
That's why when I went Philippines, I didn't feel hot, right? Even no fan like that. Because we are used to so hot climate. And so cold also. In winter.
Mga nagtitinda rin dyan ng fruits. Ayan, sa tabi-tabi.
Cut your hair.
Cut your hair. See, now you started crying. Don't cry. You're a big boy na, diba? Yeah. Just cause a big boy.
Airplane. Cut it.
Ito naman si Airplane. Ayan may karatula doon. Lovely Saloon.
It's so hot already,
Lovely Salon. May pang girl section, mayroong pang lalaki.
Is there?
Ayan, Lovely Saloon. We are here. Don't cry, malab, okay? So dito na kami guys. Don't cry, okay? We're going down. Tike. Body is here. So napakalinis ng ang lugar na ito. Know you first so that he can see. Tada! Ito yung kids section. So wala yung ni Jazz Airplane niyang sinasabi. Hindi available dito. Pero yan yung kids section. So minawash mo na yung hair ni Mister. So ang maluwag ito, meron pa doon sa other side pang babae naman doon. Kya? Ayan, nagupitan naman siya kahit nagwawala. Ha? Hogya, baya hogya.
Baya hogya.
Baya hogya. Sige. Finish na. Halos ko. Mama, just here. Bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, just hogya. Diba? Maayos yung mas kaya naman siya. You sit here, Mama, just show your cut. Tike. So, ang bilis lang din. Mabilis lang siya. Siguro mga 15 minutes. 10 minutes.
Done. Bye-bye.
Si Mr. hindi pa tapos. High cut din yung kanyang gupit. Diba? So kami lang ang customer. Wala pang dumating na iba. After 2 months, mahaba na naman yan. Ang bilis lang humahaba ng buhok ni Jessie. Kasi last gupit niya 1 day before yung balik namin ng India Ichi? So ayan, I think tapos na rin si Mister. So uwi na kami guys. Babayad na lang kami din, uwi na rin kami. Ichi ha, you will bath also just. So ayan na guys, we are done. So nagupitan si Jazz. Kahit umiyak siya. So umiyak siya guys, as in natatakot siya sa razor. Nakikiliti kasi siya, tapos di ba yung razor para siyang may vibrator.
No, it was not razor, it was
it is. Because he first used razor.
Do you have more money?
I
have to buy something.
Ayan. So, okay lang. buti ka mo hindi siya sinukuan ni Baya. So ginupitan pa rin siya kahit umiiyak siya. As in hindi naman siya yung nagwawala. Hinawakan ko lang siya. As in umiiyak lang talaga siya. So, ayan si Mr. din, oh. Tapos after niya magupitan, sabi niya kay papa niya, "Don't cry, papa, it's okay." Kasi nire-razor din ng papa niya. So sabi niya, "Don't cry, papa, it's okay." So yun kasi ang sinasabi ko sa kanya. So sinabi niya rin kay papa niya kasi nakikita niyang nire-razor ang kanyang ama. Ang cute ni Josie. Ayan. So pauwi na kami, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Si Bye-bye Malab.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Titas.